Hey there, little Red Riding Hood. If you're our looking good, you're everything that a big bad wolf would want. Little Red Riding Hood, I don't think this big girl should go walking through the old woods alone. What disguise do you have? What kind of eyes a bright wolf has? Just to see that you don't get sick, I think you ought to walk with me for a week. One bullet you have, you're sure to learn someone fast. So until you get your grandma's place, you ought to walk with me all the way. I'm gonna get my feet shoot on till I'm sure that he's been shown that I can be trusted walking with you alone. Little Red Riding Hood, like the old school should. But you might think I'm a big bad wolf, so I won't. What a big heart I have. Little Red Riding Hood, even big bad wolves can be good. I'm trying to satisfy, just to walk here by your side. And if you'll lead it my way, before we get around my way. Little Red Riding Hood, you sure are looking good. You're everything big bad wolf could want. Little Red Riding Hood, you sure are looking good. You're everything that a big bad wolf could want. You know that saying? You ever heard that song?